Have you ever needed to step away from email but still keep people in the loop? When you're out of the office, an auto reply can set expectations fast and reduce back and forth. Let's set one up in the Gmail app. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video, we will show how to set auto reply in the Gmail app step by step. We will also cover the limits of Gmail's vacation responder and a smarter option, Jotform Gmail Agent. Let's jump right in. If you're going to be out of the office and need to alert colleagues, customers, and others of your absence, you may want to set an auto reply in Gmail. Gmail's automatic vacation responder can help, but it has limitations. It can't customize each message, and you can't approve emails before sending. Still, it can help during vacations, work trips, and more. Setting auto reply in the Gmail app is the same on Android and iOS. Vacation Responder is primarily used to tell recipients that you are not immediately available. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Open the navigation menu and tap Settings. If you use multiple Gmail accounts, choose the account where you want to add the Vacation Responder. Scroll down and tap Vacation Responder. Toggle Vacation Responder to On. Then fill out the fields. The first day field is the day you want the Vacation Responder to start sending automated replies. The last day field is the day you want it to stop. Subject is the subject line of the automated message. Message is the reply you want to send, and you should include details like when you are back in the office. Next, decide whether to send the auto reply only to your contacts and/or to your domain by toggling on the settings you need. Tap Save. Now, limitations. First, there is a generic message. Gmail Vacation Responder sends the same message to all recipients, with no way to customize per email. Second, it is not thread-aware. It cannot offer unique replies for individual email threads. Third, there is no access to FAQs or past context. It cannot use frequently asked questions or situational context. Lastly, there is no human review. There is no review loop, only on or off. So Gmail does a solid job sending a generic out-of-office message, but that is where it ends. If you want customized, automated emails, here are some alternative approaches. First, we have third-party integrations like Zapier and IFTTT. These tools connect Gmail to other apps to create automated, time-saving workflows. For example, you can connect Gmail to an email marketing tool to send custom messages. The downside is that setup can be complex and time-consuming, and you still need to write the messages yourself. Second, Gmail filters and templates. You can combine filters with email templates to send automated replies under specific conditions. For example, if an email comes from a specific address or includes certain keywords, you can send a template reply. This can be tricky because you must define scenarios and manually write each template, and there is room for error. If you send a price list anytime an email includes the keyword price, it may not fit every situation. Third, manual template workflows. You can draft templates for common use cases, like customer FAQs, then copy and paste the right one into your response as needed. The smarter way is Jotform Gmail Agent for AI-suggested auto-reply drafts. Gmail's basic tools send generic messages to all incoming emails and leaves little room for nuance, context, or evolving FAQs, which can create a negative experience for recipients and reflect badly on your business. Jotform Gmail Agent is built for smarter email communication. This AI agent connects to your Gmail account and instantly drafts custom responses for every incoming email. First, it creates AI-crafted custom email responses. Instead of sending the same generic message to everyone, it looks at your prior conversations, your company policies, your FAQs, and even your unique tone to draft replies that actually fit the situation. Second, it keeps a human in the loop. Nothing gets sent without your approval. Each response shows up in your Gmail as a draft, ready for you to review, edit if needed, and approve. And most of the time, you probably will not need to change much at all. Third, it keeps your messaging consistent and on brand. The agent learns from your knowledge base and previous conversations, so every reply sounds like it's coming directly from you or your business. Fourth, it uses smart filtering. It understands that not every email needs a response, so it does not waste your time drafting replies to things like spam or promotional messages. That helps reduce inbox clutter. How to get started is simple. Log into the AI Agent Builder. In AI Agent Builder, go to Channels on the left, scroll down, and click Gmail. Click Connect your Gmail on the top right and connect your Gmail account. Allow the necessary permissions, including permission to read, compose, and send emails. Once connected, the agent will automatically check, categorize, and learn from your past emails. This takes only a few seconds. Click Next to continue. Review the two options provided. View Knowledge Base opens the knowledge base and shows training options. View Agent Summary shows activity, lets you run tests, and lets you manage your connected account. Now you're ready to use Jotform Gmail Agent with your Gmail account. It will generate custom replies for each incoming email and hold them in drafts for your review and approval. When you're ready, click Send. With Jotform Gmail Agent, you get trusted AI-powered drafts that are on brand and highly relevant because they draw from your knowledge base and previous responses. And nothing is sent without your review and approval. You can edit each draft and send it when you're ready. Best of all, Jotform Gmail Agent is available with a free trial. Explore it and see how it generates accurate, consistent, relevant responses and saves time on email so you can focus on the work that really matters. Thank you so much for watching today. I'm Sissy with Jotform. Don't forget to click subscribe, and I'll see you next time.